Hi, welcome to Trendy Output YouTube channel. Today I am going to show how to take screenshot in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's start. Open the Premiere Pro, play the video, tap where you want to take screenshot, click on Export Frame. Shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus E. Give the screenshot name. Here you can select the format. I am selecting JPEG. If you want to import into project, we can import into project. If not required, we can uncheck it. Select the location. I am selecting desktop. Click OK. Now go and check it. Your screenshot is ready. Another tip is, if you don't have this option, click on plus button. Here you can see. From here drag it to here. That's it. Thank you for visiting Trendy Output YouTube channel.